Ready? Let's get cleaning. That was the plan. Today I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I don't feel like it. I really don't feel like it, but I don't feel repelled. So this is the perfect time. The studio was a mess, has been for months, and I wanted to finally get it back. A clean space, clear mind, that kind of thing. But as soon as I walked in, it was obvious. The real problem wasn't the mess. It was this unfinished artwork, this collage with the pieces never glued down, spread out on the table like a stalled thought I never completed. I have a collage behind me that is almost finished as far as I can tell. I mean, it needs maybe a few more hours of work, but it's almost finished. You know why I've been hesitating to come in here? Because I don't feel like making art anymore. I don't feel like doing collage. I haven't made anything in months. I'd lost all interest in making art. At first it was grief. My mom died last Christmas and everything creative just stopped. And even now that I'm feeling better, I'd rather be outside in the garden than inside this hot sun porch studio. But today, out of the blue, I wanted this room back. I used to love to come in here, to sit and have a cup of coffee or tea and read a book or do some writing. And now I mean, look at this. I don't want to sit in here. This just stresses me out. I've lost a perfectly good space in my house because it's messy. That cannot be. But I don't want to put it away because it's so close to being finished. So instead, I've just left it there. But now I'm thinking, I'd like to get back in this room and at least use this room so I can sit in this chair and drink a cup of coffee in the morning. This space here is right in the middle of my room. You can see it when you're walking past. You come in the front door of our house, you can see right into this room. So you can see this mess all the time, and it's been here for like at least 3 months in this state. I'm just going to quickly, not preciously, glue this down and have a finished piece of art. That's the first thing. Here we go. Let me find some glue. Oh, of course, I left my lid off my glue and it is, oh! No! It is completely dried out. All right, I gotta fix this. Turns out the mess wasn't what was stopping me. All right, I'm gonna get this unstuck. I'm gonna put this in some hot water. It was this unfinished piece of art. So like it or not, I made myself glue it down. Not because I was inspired, not because I had momentum, because it was easier to finish it than to keep avoiding it. It's funny how often that happens, when what we think is in our way turns out to be something else entirely. Okay, I guess these go past that. All right, it is getting hot in here. This is the problem with having my art studio in my sun porch in the summer, and why I maybe don't like doing art in the summer. It's getting pretty hot in here, and I have been at it like, I guess, an hour. I was gonna just come in here, clean my studio, and the whole thing would be done. Boom. But no, it is, it's taking me longer than I thought. You know, I'm still working on it as I'm gluing. I can't help myself. So, are we any further ahead? A little bit. Okay, I can give myself a time limit here. I'm gonna give myself like 10 minutes. Set my clock. The mess wasn't the obstacle. It was just the symptom. Finishing that collage took way longer than I thought. And at one point, I had to change clothes because it got so hot in that damn sun porch. I almost gave up, but I didn't. I ended up setting a timer for 10 minutes. Woo! Glued everything down. Okay. Almost done. I'm gonna glue just this big piece down. And after that, the studio felt lighter. The cleaning of it felt doable. And not because it was yet clean, because it definitely was not, but because something was resolved. One thing was no longer stuck in the middle. One thing moved from not yet to done. I didn't realize how much that unfinished art had been affecting me, how it had quietly taken up space in my head, not just my studio. I've been at it over an hour, not cleaned my studio at all. This might be a project over several days. And it was never about the cleaning, it was about the closure. Finish the thing that you started and put off. Then you can move on to the fun stuff, like cleaning. It's been a couple hours. I went and did many other things. I ate lunch and changed because it's so hot in here. And I am back, and this is definitely gonna be glued. My studio is still a mess. Ta-da! How do we look? Do you wanna have a look? What I'm left with here. See, already cleaner. Not really. Sometimes we avoid one unfinished thing for months, only to realize it's exactly what's been keeping us stuck. All right, so I finished. There we go. Now at least it's hanging on the wall. I don't feel it's finished, but I can definitely put away all this mess. And then just, if I want, go in with little pieces. So I think that's good for now. All right, I didn't finish cleaning my studio, but I did finish something that's been haunting me for months, and that has been preventing me from cleaning my studio. Tomorrow, we clean.